Hey guys, it's Nick. I'm here in Dunedin, Florida, and it's about 4:30, so the sun's coming down soon. And Dunedin is just a little north of Clearwater, and I don't know if you can see it, but the Clearwater Bridge is down there, and Clearwater Beach is over there someplace. So I'm going to take a walk through this nice little town, Dunedin, and if you see it, you're going to want to come visit it because it's really cool. So come take a walk with me. So there's no beach that I see, but there is a marina here, and there's some boat cruises, and there's fishermen coming in here with big catches of fish, or at least when I walked by I saw one boat. I don't know if that's the only one, but they had a good catch of fish, so maybe that's in some of these local fish restaurants here. I don't know. Fresh catch of the day on the Daisy May. This town has a really cool old school vibe, and apparently the railroad ran through here, and I think that's now just the bike path that goes, I guess it's the Pinellas Trail. It goes like from all the way down south, St. Petersburg, all the way up past Dunedin or whatever. So it passes through the downtown over here, and there's like a little old train station kind of depot thing, and now there's like a small restaurant there and whatnot, and a little museum. So it's definitely a cool little town to walk through and come spend an afternoon and get dinner or a drink or a coffee or ice cream. I see an ice cream place here with like 48 flavors or something, so even better than Baskin Robbins. So come check it out. So let's see what's around here in the marina.
Their places.
So you can go on these boat tours. It looks like there's 2 a day, something like 11:30 and 4 o'clock or something. So you can check these out. Paradise Express boat tours. And I think I saw one just take off a few minutes ago. So this is the fish that I saw these guys cutting up before. They had the whole table full.
This is what it would look like if I lived in the
Are you guys splitting these up, or how are we doing?
So I don't know, if you come down here you might get some fresh fish right off the Daisy May boat, for all I know. I don't know. Or you can buy it right off them as soon as they come in from fishing. Dunedin Marina, fish market. And there's kind of a park right here at the waterfront. And so there's a lot of stores and restaurants and cafes and whatnot over here, antique places. So definitely a good day to spend an afternoon, I would say. And maybe even take a boat tour while you're at it. There's Dunedin. There's a Best Western Plus right here by the docks. Here's a nice park here.
So you know what marzipan is, Kate? I've heard of it. I don't know what it is.
This is their Christmas tree. I don't know about this. It doesn't look that nice right now. Maybe when it's lit up. The one in the park in St. Petersburg looks a little nicer to me, I would say. So this is kind of a new buildings, but most of the town is like the small, older brick kind of buildings. So really interesting, and it looks like a good scene. You'll see all the outside seating on the restaurants and stuff like that. There's a dog bar or restaurant. This is a very dog-friendly town. There's pictures of dogs on every building, it seems, and water bowls outside for everybody. So if you have a dog, this town is probably for you. And this place, 48 fresh-made flavors of ice cream. So this is Main Street and Broadway, which I guess is the center of the town here. And there's a little restaurant here with live music. These people got their nice Bentley SUV. Real nice. Rosie's Tavern also has a dog on it. So, very dog-friendly town. Bakery, Dunedin Coffee and Bakery, and another cafe over here. So here's the Cork and Beans Italian Wine and Coffee Lounge. And they got what they say they have on the menu, coffee, wine, but they also have some small foods like paninis and I think soups and things like that. So stopped over there for a pit stop for a salmon panini thing, and it was pretty good. So cool little place. And an added bonus, you can hear the music from across the street while you sit there in that cafe. So not a bad place to go to. Tony's Pizza, real New York style pizza by the slice. I didn't see that before. If I did, I would have popped in there and got a slice. So you see all these bikers going by. This is the bike trail that goes basically the whole Pinellas County, I guess. It's the Pinellas Bike Trail. And this is, I'm guessing, the old railroad station. So I guess the railroad tracks used to be over here. And there's some kind of Dunedin history museum here. And you got an old freight train boxcar restaurant selling ice cream and lemonade and that kind of stuff. So a lot of restaurants with the outside seating here. Mexican place, looks pretty good. Casatinas. And this is like a dog bar. I don't see any dogs right now. Oh, I see two. Oh, I see more. And you got all the dog paintings on the side, and it says Dog-Eden instead of Dunedin. So people really like their dogs out here.
Good for him.
And here's another park in the center of town here. Paws and Claws Animal Medical Center. More dogs.
Easy, go away. Hey, did you get home all right? Okay, so I was just
More dogs. And one cat. But mostly dogs. Oh, here's some cats. So, very pet-friendly kind of place. You got their Santa's helpers hats. Merry Christmas. Very friendly. You got your old Volkswagen Bug right here. Original one, not the remake. That's probably like a late 60s, early 70s.
Yes. After we eat, we gotta sit down and order food.
Very cool.
Oh, no, it's accurate. My whole life is either Gemini, Aquarius, Leo.
You need any more water?
I'm gonna jaywalk over here after I check out these more dogs. Wow, dogs everywhere.
better than that shit.
Cookies and cupcakes. Hey guys, that's my look at downtown Dunedin and the marina and whatnot, and it's getting late. It's 5:20. I'm gonna see if I could hit the sunset over there by the Dunedin beach, close to Honeymoon Island entrance. So let's see if I get to do that. We'll see. Okay. Looks like I made it just in time. I got a couple minutes left before the sunset, so come down to Dunedin, check out the downtown, and then come over here. This is about 3 miles north to the entrance to Honeymoon Island, and you could just park and watch the sunset. So that's what I'm gonna do, guys.